Good evening friends, my name is Shantanu Vaidya. I am here with you my new video topic. My today's video topic is linked list in Java. So let's start with the today's video topic. Um, First of all, I will explain what is linked list, and then I will give the advantages or how linked list work internally. I will give the information about this topic. So let's start with the linked list. Actually, linked list is a part of a collection framework in Java, or a class of collection framework in Java, which is present linear, which is present in java.util package, and works as a linear structure of linked list data structure. Exactly, it means the linked list presents a linked list allows element which or linked list allows array can contain continuously, or other in other words you can say that there can be a dynamic improvement in the size of array with the help of linked list. So exactly it means linked list and array list both works same as or both contain the same structures, because they all implement the collection framework, and they are all implementing list stage. So but the difference in linked list and array list is that internally they are both are different, and the working of the both are different, very different from each other. So today we are going to focus on linked list and their internal working. So how exactly linked list work? So linked list work on the basis of dynamic changes and in array. What exactly it means? With the help of linked list, we doesn't need to specify the size of your array by defining a linked list. Exactly, it means you can dynamically add or remove the element from linked list, and linked list contains doubly linked list method, which exactly it means in that method there can be three parts. First one is preview, second one is data, and third one is next. So what is preview, data, and next? These three parts connected to each other, and with the help of that only there will with the help of that only we can create a structure like linked list. And the linked list contains data or element, where the element present in a container. At that container there is a value of previous element also, and the value of next element also. So this is the functionality of linked list linked list how linked list works. So I'll explain the deep in deep example. Let's take an one is data like a student's data. So if we are creating a linked list for student data, so there can be a three scenarios. First one is preview, second one is data, and third one is next. So preview, for the first element in a linked list, the preview will be null. uh, After that there can be some data of the student class. It means there can be a marks or roll number or a name of student, a string, which can be any kind of data. The second slot for the data will fulfill, and third one is that is next. It means if there is an object, if there is an object present in a linked list, it can be contained that object's reference number or reference type. If there is nothing in your linked list, it will create an object for that next element, and that object can be combined, and that object's reference will be stored in next. So similarly it will goes up to the end. and at the end there can be a scenario like there can be a preview value. It means previous elements value, previous element reference number will be stored in preview. There can be a data, particular data in the data slot, and there can be a next. So in that next there will be a null, because this is the structure of linked list only. So that with the help of that structure only we can build a linked list form, and with that help only the linked list will perform the operation like dynamically growing. There can be a advantage like dynamic growing, and faster adding or faster removing element from linked list is the main advantages of linked list. There can be a one disadvantage also. If you want to get the index of that particular element, so you cannot directly get that index. You have to create and some other scenarios for that. And this is all about for today's video topic, that is linked list in Java. So this is the basic concept or the internal implementation of linked list from me for you. Thank you so much.